Hello guys, today we are going to make Photoshop background editing like Kellans world. Before that, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. This will motivate me to make more videos. First, open this photo on PicsArt. This background photo link is in description. Next, adjust it according to your liking. Then go to Effect, then select Blur, click on Lens Blur and adjust the blur like I am doing. After that, go to Add Photo and erase the background through cutout option. Make sure to remove the background properly like I am doing. Now click on Adjust. Since this photo is in brown tone, we have to match our model color to background. For that, just note down the steps I am doing. If you're done color matching correctly, your 80% of work is done. Now go to Draw section. Select normal brush tool and decrease the size to 1. Opacity 100 and enable zoom ability. Now draw hairline on your hair. This will make sure your photo look more natural. After these, save the file. And add photo to Lightroom. and click on autocorrect and adjust the other things like I am doing. You have to change these parameters according to your picture. Hence every photo is different, or else you can leave as it is after autocorrect, or you can use some presets. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. This will motivate me to make more videos.